Hi, how we can plot only on a special range? For example, I want to plot a line only if EMA10, red is EMA10, is less than EMA50. So how can I do this? First, let's define our condition tau that EMA10 is less than tau that EMA50. Okay, so we plot it. If our cond, so plot on high, else no, and line width can be 3 and color can be green. So we add it to chart. And as you see here we have, but when, yeah, as you see, when our EMA 10 EMA is higher than this, we have line here, we have a, here is, we have line. Okay, we don't want line here, we just want line when close. Okay, when our EMA10 is less than 50, we don't want if our EMA10 is higher than. So what we should do easily here, first we should say, okay, if our condition is false, no, okay, then we should add an style too. We should use line style, not plot that style line this style. So when we update it, as you see, when our condition is wrong, is false, we have not any plot any line here. Okay, so we should use this style mode.